If you're still here watching this right now, it can only be for one reason. We know it can't be the price, because for only $1 to start this is a borderline steal. It must be because you have a few questions I have missed. First question: who created Reading Headstart? In the beginning, before it even had a name, I created the original reading system to help my son who was failing English at the time. That was over 5 years ago, and in that time a lot has changed. Due to the huge success over the years, Reading Headstart has helped been perfected by hundreds of thousands of parents who have used it with their children over the years. On top of that, world-renowned education and nationally recognized scholars have helped shape this educational reading system to what it is today. Second question: what's special about Reading Headstart? Never before has there been a reading curriculum so easy and effective, that has children as young as 2 blowing 5-year-olds who never Reading Headstart completely out of the water. Reading Headstart is truly unlike anything out there and is getting better every single day, as more content is being added, such as reading games and worksheets. Third question: how many children can use Reading Headstart? We never limit the number of children in your house that can use my system. Any child between the ages of 1 and 9 under your roof can get started right now today, with absolutely zero additional charges or fees. Fourth question: can my child use Reading Headstart independently, or should I sit with them? Ultimately, it's your decision as the parent. The children with the best results and the parents who feel the most rewarding experience are those who sit down with their child and go through the program. I know that as a parent you have other responsibilities that take up your time. So we have specifically designed Reading Headstart to be so simple even a child with zero computer experience can use it on their own as well. Fifth question: how fast do I get access? This is the best part: you get access to everything just seconds after investing in Reading Headstart. Dig into level 1 right away at any time and from any device. Sixth question: will it work for my child? The honest to goodness truth? Absolutely. There has never been a child who hasn't benefited from using Reading Headstart. The key word you need to focus on here is use, as that's the only way you will see results. The more frequently and adamantly you and your child use my program, the better they will become at reading. Seventh question: can I give this as a gift? Please do. A huge chunk of the testimonials I receive each day come from parents who were actually gifted Reading Headstart by a grandparent, aunt, uncle, or any loved one for any matter. We make gifting Reading Headstart a truly exciting experience and give you the option to digitally send a custom gift mail or physically gift a membership certificate for more personal experience. They'll love it, and I guarantee they've never received anything like this before as a gift. Eighth question: can I trust your guarantee? I know that you and your child are going to absolutely love Reading Headstart, yet if for any reason you decide not to keep the system from now, to all the way until 1 year from now, you can get every cent of your money back at any time. In fact, I don't personally handle the refunds at all, making it truly trustworthy. All credit card transactions and refunds are handled by a secure third party. That means if you unfortunately decide on being refunded, you're issued a prompt, frictionless refund that same day automatically. Ninth question: who should not invest in Reading Headstart? My system is not for parents who believe that sitting their child down alone in front of a screen each day is the best way to actually teach them. The most effective element of Reading Headstart is that you get to work with your child, and it's you that truly becomes the teacher. Reading Headstart simply makes it beyond easy for you to teach your child to read and provides you with the endless tools that make it even that much easier. 10th question: how fast will my child get result? You will see results your very first day using Reading Headstart. You get to see firsthand for the first time, your child's mind expanding and understanding letters and the sounds they make. After 1 week into the system, you'll notice that what you're teaching your child is starting to stick, and from there, you watch as they quickly start to progress forward with amazing results. 11th question: is my credit card information safe? It may surprise you to hear this, but ordering Reading Headstart online is in fact the absolute safest way to purchase comparted to store or over the phone. We have the industry's strongest 128-bit encryption from the world's most trusted security companies like VeriSign and Thought, to ensure every single ounce of your personal and credit card information is completely secured and encrypted. Click on the links in the description so you can get started.